Welcome to Decor Ideas, your calm corner of design inspiration. Just clear and creative content focused on woodworking, decor, and functional beauty. We're here to inspire you. Today we will show you a collection of rustic candle holders from scrap wood project design ideas for modern home decor and real profit. So, watch the video until the end to see this beautiful collection and get inspiration. There is something undeniably satisfying about creating with your hands, and when it comes to woodworking, few projects deliver that satisfaction as swiftly and soulfully as rustic candle holders made from scrap wood. In a world that often moves at an unforgiving pace, where success is measured in deadlines, quotas, and delayed gratification, the ability to bring something beautiful and functional into existence in just a few hours is a rare and meaningful gift. Crafting a rustic candle holder isn't just about shaping wood, it's about shaping a moment. The woodworker, whether novice or seasoned, feels the deep and immediate joy of turning what was once cast aside, splinters, leftover planks, forgotten ends, into a purposeful and aesthetically pleasing object that speaks of warmth, atmosphere, and human touch. These candle holders are not built from blueprints of mass production but from intuition and imagination, each one slightly different from the last, echoing the uniqueness of the wood and the mindset of the maker on that day. They become symbols of the beauty in imperfection and the richness of simplicity. The immediate gratification comes from the rhythm of the process. With a few well-worn tools and a thoughtful eye, a piece of scrap wood begins its quiet transformation. The wood may be rough, scarred, even cracked, but that is its magic. The woodworker sands it down, preserving just enough of the raw character to remind us of its past, then drills a cavity or carves a well to hold a flickering candle. Perhaps it's a tea light, perhaps a tall taper. It doesn't matter. What matters is the feeling, the calm, deliberate motion of the hands as they work, and the almost meditative state that comes from shaping something real. There's no need for large workshops, expensive equipment, or endless hours of precision. Rustic candle holders are humble in scale but grand in sentiment. They're made not in weeks, but in moments. And in those moments, the woodworker sees progress, completion, and beauty, not someday, but today. Dear viewers, are you enjoying today's content? We post furniture, decor, and craft ideas videos on a daily basis. If you are new to the channel, please consider subscribing to never miss these inspirational furniture, decor, and craft ideas. Smash the notification bell so that you will be notified when we upload new videos. Also, don't forget to like and share this video, as your likes and shares enable us grow our channel and give you more content in return. More than that, these small-scale projects allow a creative freedom that larger undertakings often cannot afford. The stakes are lower, the risks are minimal, and that makes space for experimentation and expression. Want to char the wood for a scorched, modern finish? Try it. Feel like combining several scraps into an abstract, sculptural holder? Go for it. The flexibility of the process invites the woodworker to play, to explore textures, shapes, and finishes without fear of failure or the weight of lost time and materials. And when the candle is finally placed inside, lit, and its glow bounces softly off the grain, there's a quiet sense of triumph that washes over the creator. It's not about grandeur. It's about resonance, about seeing with your own eyes and holding in your own hands the result of your effort and imagination. These moments breed confidence. They inspire momentum. One candle holder leads to another. A tableful becomes a collection. Before long, a weekend hobby becomes a craft, and a craft becomes a brand. What makes rustic candle holders from scrap wood even more powerful is their dual identity. They are at once personal and profitable. The same piece that adorns a dinner table, a reading nook, or a meditation altar can also grace the shelves of a craft market or an online shop. Their small size and broad appeal make them perfect for first-time sales or bundled gift sets. Customers are drawn to the warmth and honesty of these pieces, to the fact that each one is different. Each one tells a story. And as eco-consciousness becomes not just a trend but a necessity, buyers are increasingly searching for decor that reflects both taste and responsibility. A candle holder made from salvaged wood checks all the boxes. It's handcrafted, sustainable, affordable, and meaningful. It's a piece of decor that whispers instead of shouts, that offers a quiet luxury rooted in authenticity. For the maker, this translates into not only emotional fulfillment, but also economic opportunity, low-cost materials, fast production, and high perceived value. Moreover, rustic candle holders are ideal for those just starting their woodworking journey. They are forgiving. They don't require perfect cuts or hidden joinery. They welcome flaws as features. The grain, the knots, the slight asymmetries, they all add to the charm. And because these pieces can be made relatively quickly, they create a valuable feedback loop for beginners. The joy of starting and finishing a project in the same day fuels the desire to keep creating. Each completed piece is a small victory. Each candle holder is a stepping stone to greater skill, greater confidence, and greater creative ambition. And for the experienced woodworker, they offer a return to the roots, a reminder of why they began crafting in the first place. A simple shape, a soft glow, a job well done. At a deeper level, crafting rustic candle holders also fulfills a primal human urge to create not just for utility, but for atmosphere. Candles have always been more than just sources of light. They are rituals in wax and flame. They set moods, honor occasions, mark beginnings and endings. And the holders that cradle them are, by extension, vessels of emotion. When a woodworker crafts one of these holders, they are not just making something that looks nice, they're making something that will be part of someone's intimate space. It might be the centerpiece on a quiet dinner for two, the light by which someone reads late into the night, or the gentle glow during meditation or prayer. This emotional connection elevates the product into something much more than decor. It becomes an experience, and that is what people remember, what they return for, and what they recommend to others. In a time when many people feel disconnected from the physical world, from tangible progress, and from acts of creation, woodworking projects like rustic candle holders serve as gentle reminders of our ability to make, to shape, and to share. They are small acts with big meaning. They help us slow down. They root us in the present. And for those who sell them, they prove that simplicity still sells, that care, character, and craft are not just virtues, but valuable commodities. So the next time a woodworker picks up a forgotten plank, sees the potential in a piece that others might discard, and decides to create a rustic candle holder from scrap, they are participating in something far greater than a small project. They are embracing a rhythm of creativity and commerce that is honest, soul-satisfying, and deeply needed in today's fast-paced world. Well, dear viewers, there you have them. Our hand-picked rustic candle holders from scrap with project design ideas for modern home decor and real profit. Which ones did you like? What did you like about them? Share us your thoughts in the comment section. We hope you've enjoyed our today's content. If you do, please consider subscribing to our channel if you haven't already, and also smash that notification bell so that you will be the first one to be notified when we upload new videos. It takes a lot of time and effort to make these videos. Your subscriptions, likes, and shares are what inspire us to create more content. Therefore, please consider subscribing to our channel if you haven't already. And finally, thank you for watching until the end. We look forward to seeing you in our next video. Until then, stay safe and stay blessed.